Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to bring over a newsletter from Canva to Mailchimp. Alright, so first of all, you want to log into your Canva, okay? So once you log into your Canva, we're going to create a design. So we're going to create a newsletter design, okay? So a newsletter right here. Alright, so there's multiple newsletter format templates you can choose from right here. So I'm gonna go with this one. It's a free option. It's good. Okay, so this is our newsletter. You can make some changes however you want. Okay, so once you have your newsletter ready, so the next thing you want to do is you want to click on share. Right, so once you click on share, you go to CO, and then you find, okay, so Mailchimp is not here. So what you want to do is you want to search for Mailchimp. You can see right here. Alright, so now it says save your design files in Mailchimp, all 3 pages. Then you click on save. Alright, so our design has been saved. Now let's view it on Mailchimp. Right, so as you can see, here is our design from Canva. So it's pretty easy and straightforward. Okay, so if you gain something from this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.